For these past few years, I've been designing different scale model houses, things like this, and I make them buildable, so we can just put them together. No glue is usually required. So I was thinking about doing a challenge. I'll ask AI to give me 5 random house features, and I'll use those house features to guide the design process of this house. So I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 random house features, and the house features are the following. I'll read them to you. They are...
So first we have a low sloped roof with deep overhangs. 2, we have a large floor to ceiling windows. 3, we have horizontal wood sidings. 4, a recessed main entrance. 5, upper terrace with glass railing. So I started off this design in Blender. I was creating the basic geometry, let's say, of the house. As you can see, the walls, they have like a thickness to them. That's to mimic the thickness of the wood that I was going to use, which is 3 millimeters. As you can see here, I was doing it 2 stories because since it had a terrace, we would need two floors. I am designing the roof. It had to have a slight slope, that's why the gradient isn't that strong. So yeah, I was trying these options, seeing what looked best. I ended up changing it in the future. Here I was also designing the recessed main entrance. It's the first idea I thought about, but then I also changed that further on. This is the roof. I changed it. I took off the other roof and I decided to do this this style of roof with 4 different sections. I thought it looked a lot nicer. Here I decided to change the way the recessed entry was. So you can see instead of having a structure that came out of the house, I made the door just be further in. So I made the door to be deeper, further away from the main wall. Here I am designing the windows. We needed floor to ceiling windows, so that's what I'm doing right here. Here you can see the wooden sidings. This is the last feature that I had to include. So let's see how that turns out.
Now that I have laser cut my house, this is what we ended up with. This right here. As you can see, we have these roofs that are low sloped, so the slope isn't significant. We also have here the windows, large floor to ceiling windows, so I added that here as well. We also have the horizontal wood sidings. You can kind of see how they turned out. Pretty cool. And we have also a recessed main entrance. You can see it here. The door goes way back here. Now you see that I don't have the door here. It's because I had some design problems, so it didn't really fit in. So we'll have to adjust that in a moment. And we have a balcony, so I still don't have like the glass on it, but eventually I'll do something to replicate that. As you can see, I do have some issues with the design. As you can see, this part right here is higher than these railings, so we have to lower this one or bring this up. I'll have to do those changes. Another problem I had also was here. We have too much space in between these roofs, so I will have to adjust these roofs so that they're a bit more tighter together. I did have, well, the problem with the recessed door, so it didn't fit in, so I have to adjust that as well. And I had a few more details. These windows, as you can see, they're kind of like going through the roof, as you can see down here. I'm gonna go ahead and fix these issues that I just showed you, and bring you guys and show you guys the updated version. Right, so here we have our updated version. This is much better. As you can see, we have the door now. We have this parking garage. I didn't show you this in the earlier design, which goes up. It has a system so that it goes up and down. And let's see here. There we go. Oh, we fixed the windows here, and we fixed the roof as well. Anyways, we did a few of the fixes that we needed here. We got these railings to the same height as well. So I'll just show you guys the house so you guys can have an idea of what this looks like. Here you have the terrace. And there we go. What do you guys think? Anyways, so I think it looks really good. So it's been a week since I did the last video. So I have got the things painted. Check how that looks. You can see how these side panels look. I think they look really good. So I went ahead and painted all the pieces. Here's like the color it shows also for the roof, similar to this. I'll go ahead and put the plastic on these windows. So this is without it, but look how much it changes with this clear plastic. So just put that there and see, you know, the difference, and then I'll show you how it turned out.